what? We are planning a surprise party for Jake's birthday.
Wow, that sounds awesome. When is it?
This Saturday. We have to get everything ready before he arrives.
Cool. What do we need to do?
Well, first, we need balloons and decorations. We want the place to look amazing.
I can bring some balloons. I have lots of colorful ones at home.
That's great. We also need cups, spoons, forks, and knives for the food and drinks.
No problem. My mom can help me get those. What about the birthday cake?
Oh, Sarah's mom is baking a big chocolate birthday cake, and we're getting ice cream too.
Yum! Jake loves chocolate cake and ice cream. What flavor ice cream are we getting?
We're getting vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, so everyone has options.
Perfect! What else do we need?
We should also get candles for the cake. We can't have a birthday without candles.
You're right. I'll get some candles. Are we making birthday cards?
Yes, we have colored paper and markers to make handmade cards. It will be special.
That's a great idea. What about music?
Oh, we should make a playlist with Jake's favorite songs.
Good thinking. We should also plan some games for everyone to play.
Yes, maybe we can play musical chairs and hide and seek.
That sounds like fun. Who's coming to the party?
All of Jake's closest friends. We invited about 10 people.
That's a good number. Where are we going to hide when he arrives?
Behind the couch and the table. When he walks in, we'll all jump out and yell, "Surprise!"
Haha, he's going to be so shocked.
I know! I can't wait to see his face.
Me too. This is going to be the best surprise party ever.
Definitely. Oh, and we should also have some snacks like popcorn and chips. We don't want everyone to be hungry while waiting for the cake.
Great idea. I can bring some juice and sodas, too. We need drinks to go with all the food.
Yes, we should also have a special spot for gifts. Maybe we can decorate a table just for Jake's presents.
That's smart. And we can wrap them in colorful paper to make it look even more exciting.
Yes, we'll need scissors and tape for wrapping. I'll bring those.
Sounds like we're all set. We just need to make sure everyone arrives on time.
I'll send a reminder to everyone so they don't forget.
Perfect. This is going to be the best birthday ever.
Yes, let's get everything ready before Saturday.
Yes, let's do this.